In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Pinterest ads for traffic. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive in. So you're interested in driving traffic to your site through Pinterest ads. That's a fantastic decision, because Pinterest is a powerful platform for reaching new audiences and generating interest in your products or services. To get started, you'll want to ensure you have a business account, since the advertising features are only available for business accounts. If you don't have one yet, take a moment to set that up. Once you have your business account ready, go ahead and open Pinterest. After logging in, look at the top left corner of the screen. You should see an option labeled Business Hub. Click on that. It's like your dashboard for all things related to your account. After you're in the Business Hub, find the button that says Create Campaign. This is where the fun begins. You'll be given a few options for setting up your campaign. For this tutorial, let's choose the Manual Campaign option, as it gives you more control over the details. Click Get Started, and you'll be led to a series of fields to fill out. Now, we want to think strategically about our campaign's objective. Under the section labeled Campaign Objective, you'll see various options. For driving traffic, select Consideration. This tells Pinterest that the primary goal of your ad is to bring more visitors to your site, which is exactly what we want. Next, it's time to enter some specific details for your campaign. Make sure you name your campaign something that you'll remember and can easily identify later. Once that's done, click Continue to move on to the next step. Here, it's essential to get your ad group name sorted. Choose a name that reflects its purpose or the audience you're targeting. This will help you stay organized, especially if you're managing multiple ad groups. Now let's talk about targeting. This is a crucial step in ensuring your ad reaches the right audience. You can set your targeting based on demographics, location, interests, and behaviors. Take your time with this. The more precise you are, the better your ad will perform. Once you have your targeting set up, it's time to establish your budget and schedule. Decide how much you want to spend on this campaign. Pinterest allows you to set a daily budget or a lifetime budget, so choose based on what suits you best. You can also specify how long you'd like your ad to run. Next, we arrive at the Optimization and Delivery section. Here, you'll have two options: Pinterest Performance Plus or Custom. If Performance Plus is available, it's often the recommended choice, as it allows Pinterest algorithms to optimize your ad for the best performance. After you've set all of that up, it's time to go to the Ads section. Here, you will select the specific pin you want to promote. If you already have a pin created that perfectly aligns with your campaign, great. If not, you may want to create a new pin that highlights your product or service effectively. Take a moment to review the destination URL. This is where users will land when they click on your ad, so double-check that it directs to the right page, whether it's a product page, a blog post, or a landing page. Now, it's time to review all the details of your ad. Check things like the image, pin description, and the URL once more. Getting these elements right is crucial, since they directly influence how users perceive and interact with your ad. Finally, when everything looks good, you're ready to push that Publish button. Just remember that Pinterest will review your ad before it starts running. This review process ensures all ads meet their guidelines, so don't worry if there's a short wait. And that's all there is to it. Following these steps will empower you to create effective Pinterest ads that drive traffic to your site. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe and give the video a like. Happy pinning, and best of luck with your campaign.